been a while. Welcome to Phil Talks Tech. Today I'm going to do an unboxing, setup and test of the Solvo SH01 Filament Dryer. Let's get to the unboxing. Here we go, see what we've got in here. Oh, it's well packaged. So, foam packaging. Get it out of here. Whoa, what's in there? Have the little booklet. Still right. There it is. I'm going to get rid of all this lot. Okay, so we've got inside here more foam. I'm going to get that out somehow. Try and get this bit out of here. Oh, it's well packaged. I assume this is our power. AC adapter. Runs on 12 volts. There we have it. Pretty simple to unpack and no real setup to do. Just plug the power in, turn it on. Should get some filaments and some nice bearing rollers for the filament. Let's see what rolls fit in there. Try a couple of different size rolls. And they fit nicely. Runs nice and smoothly on the bearings. One thing I like about this dryer is we can feed the filament straight out of the dryer into the printer, so that's good. We won't need to be opening it all the time. Like this one open here. With those particularly hydroscopic filaments, it'll be really good to keep it drying while we're printing those longer prints. Okay, we'll power it on. Tells us our temperature and our relative humidity. So 40 to 50 degrees C, and time can do 12 hours. 6 to 12 hours. One thing I have done, I've printed some desiccant balls already, which this desiccant's been left out overnight, and it's by the colour change, it's absorbed a lot of moisture, so I'll dry that as well while I've got the dryer going. That's the difference when they absorb some moisture. Seal her up, see how that goes. Well, 46% humidity. It will change. Yeah. Let's see what it comes down to. So at the moment it's sitting at 46% humidity, 25 degrees C in there. So we'll see how it goes after a few hours. So I've been running the Solvo SH01 for about a week now. Done some printing with it, and it's been really good. It's working really well. So it's 15% humidity. It's come down from around 35 to 40% on those rolls when I first put them in. So that's really good. And this is the little container I printed for both each spool. And you'll notice that this is actually needs to be dried. It's actually just starting to discolour, which means it's absorbed some moisture, which is doing its job. I found the best way to dry silica gel is in the microwave oven rather than the conventional oven, because it just takes so long in a normal oven, where it only takes a few minutes in the microwave. If you'd like to know more about how I get that dry, leave a comment and I'll make a video on that if you like. One thing I'm going to do is move the filament outputs to the rear, just because my printer setup suits it better for the filament to run straight in from the back of the dryer instead of the front. So these can be blocked off, and so I'll just fit some air fittings with a bit of Bowden tube in it. These will go in the rear of the box with a short bit of Bowden tube just to make the filament run freely. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If there's any anything else you'd like to learn about 3D printing, any videos you think it'd be good for me to make. Let me know in the comments below. If you like what you saw today, why not like and subscribe? This is Phil from Phil Talks Tech.